Hello. Today I'm gonna show you, not really how to build an air gun, but to reuse an older model that I've made and bring it back to life. Since then I've made a few different versions of air guns out of PVC piping. So I'm going to cut it right at the elbow right here and I'll be right back. Okay, after cutting it you want to sand the end that you cut to clean it up and get all the burrs off before moving to the next step. Okay, now that is done. Now it's time to get your PVC glue, and some towels as well to wipe up the drips. Make sure you shake the glue if it's been sitting for a while. Mine has been sitting for quite some time and probably shouldn't be used judging by the color of it, but I've used old PVC glue before without anything blowing up on me yet. Ha ha. Now that you're done gluing it, wipe away the extra glue. You don't have to do this part, but I'm doing it just to make me feel better. I'm gonna clamp it so the glue will have the best chance to cure. I always heard that giving it a few hours, then it'll be good to go. But in this type of project, you should really give at least 24 hours, if not close to it. I'm gonna let it dry, and we'll be back tomorrow. And I'm back just about 24 hours later. Now I'm gonna remove the clamp to put some Teflon tape on the pipe thread. I always check to make sure that I'm putting the tape on the correct way, so when I put the valve on it doesn't take the tape off as I'm tightening it. Now that I got the tape on, now I can put on the 1-inch ball valve and tighten it down pretty good. Now that I've got the valve all tightened up, it is time to pressure test this beast. I would recommend that if you are doing this for the first time to test the pressures slowly with a bike pump so that you have more control over the pressure going in. I filled it up at about 50 pounds per square inch. All good, no explosion. Next, I am going to test fire a Nerf dart out of one of many barrels that I've made. Now it's time to test fire. I filled the gun at about 90 pounds per square inch. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Like I thought, the dart splitted due to the air buildup in the foam dart. This is the other barrel that I've made, and this one is better in one way, but you'll see in a minute that with more power behind it isn't always better. You see here that the dart splitted because of the force and the speed hitting the target. Before I go, I would like to show you my air rifle and my air cannon. The air cannon was my very first PVC project that I made, and it was inspired by one of my favorite TV show Mythbusters. The air rifle was many versions before it became what you see here. Just like the air cannon, I modified a sprinkler valve so I could get more power behind whatever I'm shooting. I 3D printed a sight for it, and I do have a scope to mount on it, but I take it off when I have the air gun put away. If you want to see more of the air cannon or the air rifle, comment down below, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button as well. Hope you all have a great day, and thanks for watching.